Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
MP ka Lok Sabha ka Tura parliamentary seat usaleng sangma ha ka khat artrik leber 8,800 ulalej banye kendo ya ulat ka Jylla CH Vijay Shankar banpha tuklar lem halor ki Jingjia Rilum Garo. Haba krenchi kinong thok khubor hadin ka Jingjia kendo ya ulat ka Jylla usaleng uloong ba ula yo ban pinken mau halor ka 6th schedule halor ka Jingyo rong ki Rohingya lingba ki khaput omtang ha ka Jylla Meghalaya hinre ha ki weki Jylla ru kumju bat ka bakong san kalong ban wanra biang ya ka sukasan Rilum Garo. Ulapan pau ru ba ulayo ban ya kren ha ka Ïadei bakumno ban Pynsngew thu ya ki samla ki badang ya ki babalei ki bamdei ki Rilum ki wan ha ki jaka ki baha ha ka 6th schedule. Ulakar pat ru na ulat ka Jylla ban penbu ni ki lat Jingjia da ha ki jaka badan ka Jingjia kan at ban yada ya ki Rilum bat ya ka hok bala ai ya ki Rilum bakam dei ban cha kni no shu uloong ba ka jinglong jingman menta Rilum Garo kelas dang wan phai biang shakasuk kasan da ka Jingjia trailang jong baro ha ka jo ka por ulapan pau ka jing ai khuble ki nong yalam niam bo pher ki bala bu ka jing duai na ka menta ka suk kasan shu ula ai ka Jingjia ro bat ai khuble ki bor pulit ki bala la bantem ya ka Jingjia kan at da ka rukom ka badei kumju ya ka district administration bat ya ki wei kitnat ki bai laya don benta ha ka jingwan ra ya ka sukasan ha ka tai kathan.
The whole objective is how to handle the situation right now, whichever the issue that has been cropped up in Garo Hills. The main was the 6th schedule, so we have talked about it in very much in length, how to go with the procedural correct the way. And another one is that about the border issues, how these Rohingyas are entering not only our state, even other parts of the international border also. So those things, and then moreover at present actually how to bring this turmoil into peace, okay, and how we will try to make our youth who is already agitated about the situations, about the 6th schedule area, why the non-tribal are coming in between. So likewise we have talked in very much in length, and then I have already asked him to put 1-2 more security camped like CRPE, and then maybe if we can put another sorts of forces in those areas where our people will be protected.
So, what is the situation in the Garo Hills right now?
Right now, situation is been handled by everybody. Why I am saying everybody is that everybody is involved by everyone, even the preachers, fathers. I want to thank our bishop also, who is praying for our people to come back into peace, and then even the reverends, everyone, every citizens of Garo Hills is praying that this situation is handled in a way that should be handled, and that peace should come to our state, and then nobody should fight with anybody, and then the right which is given to the tribal people should not be snatched, and then and then since there was no such rule in place, that particular procedure we have to follow and then see what we can do. Definitely I'll go back to Garo Hills and discuss this matter with all my senior leaders, advisors, and then I'll definitely meet with my people and then see what we can do. Because right now I think I want to thank especially the police personals, the police department, who has handled the situation very, very nicely. Otherwise it might have gone out of hand. And thanks to the police department and all the other departments who are involved, especially in taking care of the situations and then bringing, at least calming the situation right now. I won't say press right now, because the law will take its own course, because whoever has already created this particular situations right now, I think one has to take responsibility actually regarding why the situation has cropped up at the very instance. Otherwise, Garo Hills right now is a peaceful place. Even Meghalaya is a peaceful state right now. So, looking at the whole scenario, somebody might have instigated someone to do something because you never know whether it's a politically or motivated, or maybe somebody wants to take advantage of the situation. So, let's pray everything is fine.
To whom you blame?
I don't want to blame anybody right now. It's the rule which was not framed earlier, because our seniors, they have not foreseen what would have happened. Okay, what would have happened now because of their carelessness. So this is the things this is happening. So we don't want it to follow in the future. So that's why we are going to have a word with my people out there, and then with the seniors, with the elders, with all the intellectuals who may be able to give us the advice how to go about.
What was the view of the governor on the participation of non-tribals in the
No, actually, governor is very much in view of the rules. Okay, if the rules is in place, then definitely these things would not have happened. Okay, but since the rule has not been adopted by the district council, that's why this thing has been, the lingering for many years. If the rule was framed already from before, then we need not have to face this particular consequences that has happened. Okay, that's why governor has told us that you go back and see how to go about with the rules, procedures, and then what kind of amendment that should be done. We will discuss with the people. Government is with the people. He's for peace, and then he's for the people. So governor is very much positive to whatever we will do. He is not, because you see, six schedule is for the people. For the tribal, and everybody knows it, and everybody should know it, because the fundamental rights that we are talking about, okay, you cannot coincide with that particular six schedule, because six schedule has totally a different structure. It has its own autonomy. So that's why the district council has to come up with the amendment and the rules, and even the electoral college should be framed by the district council itself. That way one day maybe we might be able to do so.
Ya don kanu ka kamru ka bangin hap ya keren ya penbek ki kamru ku mengalong ya piminem don kamra songkai ni songing ya keren hi hang ni barako kata kalong ka tarkom im jang diri undai langit ndaki briu ke ya be ya kata ka kum ka juk ka bamta kanduk kini ka jong man barim bon ki ai baro ki bale uman barim ki ladu